Giraffe, an alternative investment platform, is currently in discussions to secure a funding of 85 crore rupees, approximately $10 million, in its Series C round. The funding is expected from existing investors including Excel and US-based Harmony Partners, according to sources close to Indian startup news. Founded by Saurav Ghosh and Vineet Agrawal in September 2021, Giraffe offers a variety of investment options ranging from fixed income categories like structured debt instruments, corporate bonds, and government securities, to other alternative investments such as invoice discounting, real estate linked debt, asset backed leasing, and venture debt financing. Excel and Harmony are both anticipated to contribute half of the total funding, around $5 million each, to support the company's growth. Despite attempts, responses from Giraffe, Excel, and Harmony were not received regarding the matter. This funding round marks another significant milestone for Giraffe, coming after its $87 million Series B round in October 2023, led by the same investors. The alternative investment sector is attracting significant interest from investors, with numerous startups including Giraffe bringing democratized fixed income investment products to retail customers via digital platforms. These offerings are gaining popularity especially among the Gen Z demographic, who prefer managing investments through smartphones. Investors like RTP Global have shown active interest in this space, funding various startups including a notable $15 million round for Stable Money, and participating in other significant investments across the fintech sector. Additionally, Grip Invest recently raised $10 million from debt provider Stride Ventures. With the growing competition among new age financial platforms, the investment landscape is rapidly evolving, leading to more funding rounds, and also, likely, some closures as companies strive to lead in the industry.